Zeppo. Perché sei che non ci posso raggiungere per
lies beyond the horizon, touching the stars, being the stars, and igniting the spark that lies deep within each and every one of you. Our story starts like all stories. Small, fragile, and full of wonder. Watching the world with easy eyes. Soon to be swept off our feet. Because we are not meant to play small. Let us take you on a journey. Look up at the sky and remember. Open up to the shapes, music, and colors. And feel what you are truly capable of. It is time to thrive. It is time to transform.
Wow.
We stand at the threshold of a great dawning. Something deep within life is changing. An era is ending. And at the very core of creation, something new is being born. We are awakening from a long collective sleep. We are an extension of the earth, flowing like the waves of the ocean, connected to all things, seen and unseen. In this dance of light and dark, we learn to tune into our true wavelengths, because there are things that cannot be understood with the mind. They have to be experienced and felt.
Garzone просто делать.
Now is the time of a great shifting that will result in the transformation of our Earth and trigger a radical change in consciousness. A tidal wave of light is descending upon us, activating our highest potential, raising the frequency so we can embody a new way of living. We believe in a commitment to create a reality that sustains Mother Nature and contributes to the well-being of the next generations. Let's engage with each other. Do something good today, which we are grateful for tomorrow.
Wyka.
Na twoją mówcę.
in a dynamic and playful way. Because life is for living. Happening here and only now. So don't waste a moment and make it count. Thank you for being here with us. Remember, transformation is like a butterfly. In the palm of your hand. All you have to do is release it. To experience ultimate freedom. Create endless impact and find an abundance of joy. This show is created by Dutch Drone Shows.
No zarobisz.
We thank you for your trust.